Here.
They're like this every time.
They are. Usually at the show, when you're not here, nobody really cares.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Now, I got you one of these. Where's yours?
Oh, I didn't know I was allowed to wear it in public. I thought that was like
It's part of the outfit.
I thought it was tethered to the studio, so I wouldn't. Hey, we're gonna do something for Garth's social media page, so you guys are all gonna be on it, and we're gonna be on it. And how should we do this, Mike? Garth quickly realized that I don't know how to operate a phone, so we now have Mike, our beautiful supermodel. Are we rolling? Okay, so here we are on stage with, look at who's here, Garth Brooks. That's right. We're on the internet right now. It's very exciting to be on the internet. I've never been on the internet with you before.
Well, you look good. You look thinner.
I'm glad we have clothes on. Let's just say that. Garth Brooks is on my show, Jimmy Kimmel Live, later tonight. Watch us. Oh, look just like this. All right, are you guys ready for some more music? Yeah!